Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Wednesday. You just heard a song about having Y at the end of a word and then adding a suffix to it. You would cross out the Y and add an I, and then you continue with your suffix. A suffix is an ending you put at the end of a word. Now, boys and girls, I want to go over when do you change the Y into an I. If there's a consonant and then the Y, you cross out the Y and turn it into an I. If there's a vowel and then the Y, like a vowel team, you just add the suffix. You can do plays, played, right? Today, we're going to look at this word, puppy. I see there's a consonant and then I see there's a Y at the end. I want to say more than one. I want to say puppies. I saw lots of puppies playing at the park. So I want to add ES to my suffix, to my word puppy. I need to cross out my Y and add an I, and then I put ES. So now my word says puppies, and I'm going to write it clearly. You see that? Now I have this word, and this word reads happy. I am happier today than I was yesterday. So I want to add the suffix ER. In order to add the suffix ER, I look here and I see there's a consonant and then a Y. So I cross out my Y and add an I and then an ER. Now I rewrite my word for it to say happier. Happier. You see that? We cross out the Y and we add an I and then our suffix. This word says cry. I want to use my suffix ed. My daughter cried yesterday because she fell and hurt her knee. So she cried yesterday. I see there's a consonant and then the Y at the end. I cross out my Y. I add an I cross out my Y. Sorry, guys. I add an I, and then I add my suffix ed. And now I rewrite my word, cried. CRIED. Our final word says fly. I want to add the suffix es to fly. I see there's a consonant and then a Y. So when I do that, I cross out my Y, I add an I, and then my suffix es. Now this says flies, just like that. So what did we learn today? We learned, boys and girls, about the Y rule for spelling. When there's a consonant and then a Y at the end of a word, and we want to add a suffix, we cross out the Y and we add an I, and then we write our suffix. Now, you're going to try just what I did. On the next link, you're going to click on the next link, and you're going to write down the words you see on your screen, and then you're going to take a picture and upload it to Class Dojo. Remember, when there's a Y at the end of a word, we cross, and we want to write a suffix, we cross it out, add an I, and then write our suffix down. Okay? Bye. Have fun doing this.